Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring some incredible false ceiling designs ideas that will transform the look and feel of your interiors. False ceilings, also known as drop ceiling or suspended ceilings, offer a creative way to add depth, visual interest, and even improve acoustics in a room. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's dive in. Importance of false ceilings. Before we dive into the designs as yet, let's talk about the importance of false ceilings in interior design. We will discuss how false ceiling can conceal wiring, enhance lighting options, hide imperfections, and create a sense of grandeur. Discover how these versatile design elements can transform the overall ambience of a room. Pop designing false Pop design false ceiling. Plaster of Paris false ceilings are a popular choice due to their versatility and ability to create intricate design. We will showcase different pop design false ceiling ideas from ornate pattern to sculptural elements. Explore how these artistic designs can add a touch of elegance and drama to your interiors. Tray ceiling designs. Tray ceilings, also known as diseased ceiling or inverted ceilings, are perfect for adding depth and architectural interest to a room. We will explore various tray ceiling designs such as stepped or layered trays, illuminated trays, and coffee trays. Discover how these designs can create a visually stunning focal point and enhance the overall aesthetic of your space. Cover ceiling lighting. Cover ceilings are designed to accommodate indirect lighting, creating a soft and ambient glow in a room. We will discuss different cove ceiling lighting options such as LED strips, hidden fixtures, and uplighting techniques. Learn how to incorporate cove lighting into your false ceiling designs to enhance the mood and atmosphere of your space. Suspended ceilings. Suspended ceilings are an excellent choice for creating a modern and sleek look. We will showcase various suspended ceiling designs including floating panels, modular designs, and metallic finishes. Discover how suspended ceilings can add a contemporary touch and create a seamless and polished appearance in your interiors. That concludes our false ceiling designs ideas for stunning interiors video. We hope these ideas have inspired you to explore the possibilities of false ceilings and unleash your creativity in designing beautiful interiors. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below, letting us know your favorite false ceiling design. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home design content. Until next time, happy designing and enjoying creating stunning false ceilings in your interiors.